Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your health coverage with MetLife step by step clearly. To cancel your health coverage with MetLife, begin by gathering your account information. Locate your policy number and any other identifying details related to your health coverage. Visit the MetLife website to find the customer service contact information. You can also check if there's an option to cancel your policy directly online. If online cancellation is not available, prepare to call customer service. Dial the customer service number listed on their website or your policy documents. When connected, clearly state that you would like to cancel your health coverage. Provide the representative with your policy number and other requested information. Be ready to answer any questions they may have to verify your identity. Listen carefully to any information the representative provides about the cancellation process. Ask about any potential fees or implications related to canceling your coverage. Inquire about confirmation of the cancellation and when it will take effect. Once you receive confirmation, keep a record of any reference numbers and details. Make sure to monitor your banking statements for any future charges from MetLife. If you see any unauthorized charges, reach out to their customer service immediately. Follow up with MetLife if you do not receive cancellation confirmation within a few days. This ensures your records are accurate and up to date regarding your health coverage status. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your health coverage with MetLife. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.